Visit Uttar Pradesh, Chandigarh and Uttarakhand today, addressing two political meetings and inaugurating the new terminal of the Chandigarh airport, besides attending some other events. In Chandigarh, the Prime Minister will inaugurate the new airport terminal, which is equipped with the modern state-of-the-art equipment and passenger facilities. The 485 crore rupees airport project will be operated and maintained by Chandigarh International Airport Limited. The Prime Minister will also attend the 34th convocation ceremony of the Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research. He will also inaugurate a new housing scheme and addressing a public meeting in Chandigarh. The Prime Minister's second engagement will be an address at Sarsawa near Saharanpur in Uttar Pradesh. He will later move to Rishikesh in Uttarakhand to visit Swami Dayanand Saraswati Ashram and spend some time with Swami Dayanand Giri, who is not keeping well. The Prime Minister will also visit Dehradun, where he will address BJP workers.
For more on PM's Chandigarh visit, we're now joined by our correspondent Nandini Mittal from Chandigarh, and Usha Pawar is joining us from PGI in Chandigarh. Both of you, thank you for joining us. First, Nandini, we'll come to you. Prime Minister is expected at the airport today to inaugurate a new terminal there. To begin with, tell us what time is the Prime Minister expected and when do we expect the terminal to be inaugurated, by what time?
प्रियंका, जो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी 9:45 पर जो है टर्मिनल का उद्घाटन करेंगे। पूरी तरह से ये आधुनिक टर्मिनल इसे कहा जा सकता है और इस टर्मिनल के उद्घाटन से पंजाब, हरियाणा, चंडीगढ़ के अलावा हिमाचल को भी फ़ायदा होने वाला है। अगर हम इस पूरी बिल्डिंग की बात करें तो ये पूरी तरह से इको फ्रेंडली बिल्डिंग है, जो फ्लाई ऐश की ब्रिक्स से बनाई गई है। वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग सिस्टम यहाँ पर लगा हुआ है और अगर बात करें तो सोलर पैनल यहाँ लगे हुए हैं ताकि एयरपोर्ट की जो अपनी विद्युत आपूर्ति की ज़रूरत है उसको पूरा किया जा सके।
Okay, Nandini, stay with us. We're going to quickly go across to Usha and get an update from her as well before we come back to you. Usha, let's talk about the students now. You know, the Prime Minister has always had a good focus on students and healthcare. Looking at the convocation ceremony that he will be attending today there, what kind of a boost is it really for them?
Yes, Prime Minister's address is always inspirational and people really wait for his address, and same is here, and the students of PGI, they are very eagerly waiting for the Prime Minister when he'll come here to attend the 34th convocation of this premier institute of the region, and he is going to address the students over here, and JP Nadda, Health and Family Welfare Minister, Union Minister, he will also be accompanying, and he is presiding over the function, and Prime Minister will be giving degrees to about 825 students, and he'll be distributing gold medals also to about 9 postgraduate students, and apart from that 46 medals, silver medals will also be given, and 41 bronze medal will be given by the Prime Minister, and it's really a proud day for this premier institute, and the students are really eagerly waiting for the Prime Minister to come. And I would like to add here that the Prime Minister, once he inaugurates the Mohali International Airport, he'll be coming straightway to this place, and Mohali Airport function, that is a very short function. I think it is for about 10 minutes, and straight from there Prime Minister will be coming to this institution, the PGI, and he'll be first planting a sapling over there. I would request my cameraman Harish to show you the place where he is going to plant a sapling, and from there he'll straightway come to the Bhargav Auditorium, where the 34th convocation of this premier institution is going to be held, Preeti.
Usha, we've also told our viewers that the Prime Minister is to inaugurate and launch a new housing scheme there, and also he will attend a public meeting there, and he will address a public meeting in Chandigarh. Give us more on these two events as well.
Yes, after inaugurating the international airport at Mohali, he'll be coming to the PGI, and from PGI he'll be going to Sector 25, where a big rally is being organized, and there he is going to address, and the people are really eagerly waiting for the Prime Minister to address them, and his words are really important for the people, and they always wait for the Prime Minister. And there itself the housing board scheme, in which the beneficiaries will be given the documents documents, and that is also slated there itself. And the Prime Minister, after completing all these 3 locations, completing the functions at all these 3 locations, he'll be going back probably by 1:30 p.m.
All right, Usha, we'll come back to you. Let's go across to Nandini also and get more inputs from her. Nandini, let's talk about, you're at the airport now. Tell us about the kind of excitement there is to welcome the Prime Minister, and also how the city has been spruced up.
बिल्कुल, कल जब हमारी बहुत सारे लोगों से बात की हुई तो उन्होंने ये कहा कि बहुत अच्छा कदम है, एक नया इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट ख़ास करके चंडीगढ़ पर बनाया जा रहा है, ताकि जो है पंजाब, हरियाणा और हिमाचल के लोगों को जो है वो इसका ख़ास फ़ायदा मिल सकेगा। इसके अलावा लोगों का ये भी कहना था कि अभी अगर कोई भी फ़्लाइट पकड़नी पड़ती है तो हमें दिल्ली जाना पड़ता है और वहाँ से जो है वो फ़्लाइट मिलती है, लेकिन अगर चंडीगढ़ का एयरपोर्ट शुरू हो जाएगा तो इंटरनेशनल फ़्लाइट्स यहाँ से ही पकड़ी जा सकती हैं। सब लोग जानते हैं कि पंजाब से एक बड़ी संख्या में लोग जो हैं वो विदेशों में बसे हुए हैं। उन लोगों के लिए अगर हम बात करें, NRIs के लिए बात करें, तो ये टर्मिनल जो है उनके लिए एक बहुत बड़ी उम्मीद जो है वो लेकर आ रहा है। पंजाब, हरियाणा और हिमाचल एक बढ़ता हुआ औद्योगिक क्षेत्र भी है, उस दृष्टि से देखा जाए तो भी इस टर्मिनल को बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट माना जा सकता है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग जो हैं यात्री कम समय पर यहाँ सफ़र कर पाएंगे और कहीं ना कहीं जो है इससे औद्योगिक विकास भी होगा। अगर हम बात करें कि
All right, Nandini Mittal. We'll leave it there, but thanks so much for joining us. We'd like to thank Usha Pawar also for joining us and giving us those inputs on the Prime Minister's visit to Chandigarh. Pretty very interesting when she's talking about the airport and, you know, talking about the kind of excitement there is for the inauguration of the new terminal, and how she's talking about it's going to be benefiting not just Punjab but Haryana and Himachal as well. And a lot of people from Punjab have actually relatives to stay in different countries, so it will be
a boost and a good news for them as well, right? On that note, we'll get to other news as well. 9 years